Computer Science Videos here today to show you guys in this tutorial how to create an account for DailyMotion on a Mac computer. Without further ado, let us start the video. So in this tutorial, you need to have access to a Mac computer, have access to an email address as well as a mobile phone that can receive a text message as part of the authentication method. We can now start the tutorial. Let's now go down to the dock. Go to the web browser, which is Safari in this case. Now go to Google, type in DailyMotion. That should show up on screen. Now go to DailyMotion.com. Let's now go to the top right corner where it says sign up. Click on this, and here we'll be required to enter the email address as well as create a password, your date of birth, and your gender. So let's add my email address. Let's create a password. Now type in your date of birth. Gender, male. I am not a robot. Accept the DailyMotion's terms and conditions. Read this before we accept. I have already read this and now I will accept. Sign up. Yep, let's update the password. And now what happens is you will have been sent a 6-digit verification code to your email address. Let's now access the email through another tab. Go to office.com and now let's go to Outlook. You should have been sent a one-time code to your email inbox. So what I'll do is I'll take this code, highlight and copy, go back to DailyMotion, insert code validation, verify the email. Your email has been successfully verified. You're good to go. Continue. Go to settings. And now we will be required to choose a name for the channel. So let's just use Computer Science Videos. That's available. Update account. Your account has been updated. Let's now go to DailyMotion. Go within library. And so the account itself has been created. Go back to DailyMotion, and what we will do in the near future, I will demonstrate to you how to upload a video, become a partner, and we'll just take it from there. So let's now quit Safari. And so that's it for this video. I'll see you guys in my next tutorial. Thanks for now. Thank you for making it towards the end of the video. Be sure to subscribe to my channel, Computer Science Videos. Be sure to check out the previous video on screen now, or you can ideally click on the playlist and watch all the journey for Computer Science Videos from the start until now.